Hi guys, my name's Carl Hutchins, CEO of Elite Property Investments. Welcome to video 2. In lesson 2, what we're going to learn is a word. Now this word, for some reason, professional football players and professional sports athletes, in their career, when they're playing their professional sport, they're very, very good at it. But when it comes to the money that they earn around that professional sport, they lack it immensely. And that word is responsibility. Okay? Now, some of you may not like what I'm going to say right now, but you know what? This is between me and you, and I feel that it's a very, very important lesson. And if we're going to make you a millionaire after professional football, this is what we need to learn. Responsibility for your income, responsibility for the investments that you make, responsibility for the places where you're going to put your money. When you've done all that hard work to build it up from lesson 1, you've done all the hard work to put some money aside month in and month out, you've now built up a substantial pot. Where you put that pot is going to make you or break you. Okay? So when I talk about responsibility, I'm talking about looking into where you're going to place your money. Okay? Not giving it to the first person who comes along and tells you that they can do this for you or they can do that for you. All right? Because from what I've found, okay, and from the people I speak to and the feedback that I get, most of the time, okay, professional sports athletes end up losing a lot of money or go broke after they finish playing professional football because they trusted someone or they didn't really take responsibility and look at the investments that people were telling them to put their money into. So what I'm saying to you guys in this lesson is, by all means, you know, have a look around, speak to different people. There's lots of guys out there who are professional investors and can do really, really well. You know, that's their job, that's what they do. But what I encourage you to do, okay, is just learn a little bit, pick up a little bit of a book. If someone tells you they can do something for you, read a bit, take some information in, dig a little bit deeper, okay, into what people are saying. Don't just listen to the first thing that you hear and believe that that's a good idea. All right, guys, because that's not taking responsibility. In your career, you take responsibility to make sure that you're there, you're in training, you're training your hardest. All right, what I'm saying is, outside of your career, you need to start now taking responsibility for your income, for your lifestyle, for the way that you're going to create your lifestyle and your family's lifestyle after playing professional sports. Now that's really important, guys, okay? And if it means being a little bit uncomfortable, if it means having to grow and maybe read the Financial Times when normally you read the, I don't know, the Sun newspaper, then so be it. All right, guys, because taking responsibility for your income is what's going to change and help you provide wealth and security for you after your professional career. Okay guys, so today's lesson, responsibility. Responsibility in your investments, responsibility in wherever you think is a good idea to, or someone else thinks it's a good idea for them to put your money. You take responsibility and look into it, look a bit deeper, and make sure that you understand exactly what someone else or what you're thinking of doing with your income and with that nest egg that you've managed to build up. I'll see you guys in lesson 3.